What's up guys, Fortnite here, back with another video. Today we're going to do a food review, kind of different from my usual content, I know. I'm just going to try something new. We're going to be reviewing the spicy chicken nuggets from McDonald's, or Mickey D's. So let's open her up and let's see how it goes. Alright, so she's all opened up. See here, it's kind of like a more reddish color if you've seen the normal McDonald's chicken nuggets. It's kind of like more red. Let's go ahead and just pull one out, guys. Okay, guys, so I got one out here. Just show it against the white to make it look a little better. You see there, it's kind of reddish. It looks pretty much the same shape. It's just kind of more a different color. You can see there. Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and take a bite. All right, first bite going in. Honestly, that slaps. Like, that's good. Would I prefer it over a regular one? Maybe sometimes. Also got a Coke here with me. Let's go ahead and just. Oh, that's good. Alright. Let's go ahead and finish it. I mean, the spicy McNuggets, man. Like, oh my god. Like they go hard, right? Like they're good. Not much else to say. It has a little bit of heat, but not really. Different texture too on the breading, which I kind of like. It's more crunchy. That is so good. McDonald's really hit out of the park. Really hit out of the park here. I like this a lot. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and chug this Coke. I'm gonna chug it. Right. 3, 2, 1. Guys, plugging in the spicy chicken nuggets from Fortnite, McDonald's, into a scale of 1 to 10. It's a good 8. 8.2. Real nice. Good job.
So anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in once again. Daily uploads, like I said, all different kinds of content. I told you it's going to be an epic ride. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next Fortnite video. Let's get it.